In this video, I'm going to show you the free website I use to design all my advertisements, along with a quick run-through of how to use everything and how to put it all together. Coming up. Hi, if you're new to this channel, I'm Bradley, the CEO, owner, and head designer of the graphic design marketing firm BDesign. And we can help you with anything from flyers, posters, business cards, and flyers to t-shirts and car magnets. If you have any need for design, just email us. We have cheap, affordable rates. Our business inquiry is down in the description below. Now, when designing BDesign's ads for social media or just in general, first, go to freepik.com. Now here you have a choice of filtering what you need. If you're looking for vector art, photos, PSD files, or icons. But I always use all resources. And if you scroll down here, you can see they offer free art, backgrounds, mockups, and much more. But today, I'm going to show you how to use freepik.com to design an ad for social media. So, go to the search bar and look up ads. Now, everything is free except for the designs with the crown up in the left corner. Those are premium resources and do cost. These look good, so click on it and go to download. Now you do have a daily download limit. Unless you sign up for a free account, then it's unlimited. So download. Then it downloads a zip folder. And now we have these pre-made free advertisements for social media. All you have to do is go in and change text for what you want it to say. Now this ad is going to be 50% off on BDesign's social media marketing services. So up here I'm just going to change shop now to my company's name, BDesign. And then center that. And now, these are all highlighted because Illustrator doesn't recognize the font. So we have to go in and change that. For you Apple users, Command T to bring the character box. Then, just find the font that you prefer. To stick with my brand standards, I'm going to use Myrid Pro, bold. Then change all the fonts to Myrid Pro. Then when you're done there, highlight this ad, Command C, the copy. If you're an Apple user, then open up Photoshop. Command N for new. This is for social media, so it needs to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Resolution at 72, and RGB color mode. And the background will be transparent. Then Command V to paste. I'm going to leave it at Smart Object. Then hold Option Shift to keep the vector from being distorted as you resize it. And then return. Then go up here to File, Save. Or you can do Command S for you Apple users. Then I'm going to name this 50% off ad. I'm saving it to my desktop as Photoshop. Okay. Then go back up, save as, and then save as a JPEG. Because JPEG is the smallest file format and is easy to upload to any social media platform. Then there you have it. That is how BDesign creates all their ads and advertisements. If you would like to see more of BDesign's ads and social media posts, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at BDesign680.